Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through a quick and easy guide on how to disable the Vibrate option for X for Professionals on your Android device. If constant vibration alerts are becoming a distraction, or you simply prefer a quieter experience, these steps will help you take control of your notifications in just a few moments. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and head straight to your phone settings. This is the central place where you can adjust all your device preferences. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section contains every application installed on your device, along with their individual settings. From the list of apps, locate and select the X app. Be patient if you have many apps. It may take a moment to find it. Once you tap on it, you'll gain access to detailed options specific to X. Now, choose Notifications. This is where Android organizes all notification-related settings for the app, including sound, pop-ups, and vibration behavior. Within Notifications, tap on Notification Categories. In Android, categories allow you to control different types of notifications separately. This is especially useful for apps like X, which send multiple kinds of alerts. Look for the category labeled X for Professionals and select it. This will open a dedicated page for these specific notifications. Here, you will see a toggle for Vibrate. Simply switch it off to disable vibration for X for Professionals, while keeping other notifications active, if you wish. Once that's done, you can exit your settings. Your changes are saved automatically. From this point on, when you receive a notification from X for Professionals, your phone will no longer vibrate, allowing you to stay informed without the extra buzz. It's a small but effective change, perfect for making your Android device better match your personal working style. Whether you're in meetings, focused on a task, or simply prefer a quieter notification system, this adjustment offers a more professional and less distracting mobile experience. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Vibrate for X for Professionals on Android.